Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and create student forms and share that forms with the active students in the school. For that, you go to forms and click on all forms. And here on the top right corner we have create form, and from these three options you can select student form. Now under student form you have templates that can be used for event RSVP, parent feedback, volunteer sign up, attendance form and incident form. Or you can also generate a form using AI, and on the left hand side you can also choose to create a form from the scratch. Now if I choose to create a form from the scratch, you can select that and go ahead and click on create. And when you do that, you will land on a page like this where you will have two options called new field and system field. Now the fields that you see under system fields are the fields that are present in the student profile. So I can directly use these fields. I can even drag and drop them, or I can also go ahead and create my own field and name it as I want. And once you do that, you can also choose to map this field to a particular field that is there in the student profile. Now, if you use fields directly from system fields, they're already mapped to the student profile, and any information captured over here can be directly synced to the student profile after the parents make a submission. And any field that is created from new field will always remain in the student form, and if you wish to map it, you can go ahead and use this option and map them to the fields that are present in the student profile. Now, once you have created the form on how you want it, you can also preview the form on how it is going to look like once you share the form. On the left hand side, you have certain options that can be used to make cosmetic changes to the form that you created to a certain extent. And on the right hand side, you can also check what are the fields that is mapped to the different fields that are there on the student profile. And then if everything is good to go, you can go ahead and publish the form, and over here you can configure a form name. So you can give this form name that will be visible to parents, and this form will be an internal visibility. And then you can choose to give a category. If you want to copy this to other centers, you can also do that. And over here you can also choose to notify the staff members either only in the app or email and app as well. Now once you do that, you can choose the staffs that you want to notify. You can also select a date on which the responses will be disabled from the parent side. Now if I say 31st of August, after 31st of August, no parent or user will be able to make a submission on this form that you created. Then we have allow users to initiate. By turning this on, you don't have to manually share the form every time you want a submission from the parents. You can simply turn this on and create the form, and parents will be able to self initiate this form from their parent application. And when everything is good to go, you can simply click on OK, and the form will be created. Thank you.